Welcome to Musto Invest in Cambodia. Right now we are in this cashew nut farm. You can see it's more than 2,000 hectares of cashew. And yes, in this month, the month of February, the harvesting season is going to start. So as I said in my previous videos, agriculture is the #1 growing business in Cambodia because Cambodia has very good, very fertile land. And this is the most profitable business at the moment that you can actually do in Cambodia. If you want to earn a good passive income or a good active income, definitely you should take advantage of Cambodia's agriculture. But specifically, if we talk about cashew, Cambodia is ranked #2 in the world for the production of raw cashews. And yes, I'm here in Kampong Thom province, in the middle of the country. You can see this is a very big plantation, and yes, the harvesting season will be from February until May, so it's just a 3-month season. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to Musto Invest in Cambodia, hit the notification button, contact us if you're interested. You can check out the official websites. Myself, I live in Cambodia for more than 15 years. And yes, right now I'm here in this cashew nut plantation. Recently we have helped a few investors from the United States, from Canada to invest here in Cambodia. You can see Kampong Thom province is a very good province for cashews. And the cashews that are produced here are W160, W180 and W320, but the most common one is W180. And yes, more than 1 million tons are actually produced. I'm talking about raw cashews. They are sent to Vietnam because in Cambodia there isn't much manufacturing. The government is trying to give a lot of incentives for the production of cashews so you can actually export these cashews to other countries. But we are talking about $1.5 per kilogram. So most of the raw cashews are sent to Vietnam. They process everything in Vietnam because Vietnam has a lot of factories, a lot of manufacturing plants, and then they are exported to the Middle East, to the European Union, to the United States. But yes, Cambodia is the heart of cashews, and only the Ivory Coast that is producing more at the moment, but Cambodia will be #1 in the world by 2030. And yes, this is the place the government is giving a lot of incentives. If you come to Cambodia and you start a manufacturing plant for cashews, you can take advantage of the very favorable taxes, very low taxes, tax incentives up to 9 years, or you can just buy cashews and sell them from February until May, before the rainy season, or you can just invest in cashews in a business and then you can get money back from wet cashews or the dry cashews, because yes, there is also a warehouse where more than 100 tons of cashews every day are collected, and 10 to 20 tons a day are dried. So a lot of farmers, they come together, they sell their raw cashews to the person collecting, and the person collecting or the company collecting is then exporting to Vietnam. If you want to invest in cashews, there is a time frame that is only once a year for the harvest. The harvesting is from February until May. So it's only once a year. If you don't invest during this time frame, you have to wait the following year. But of course, if you buy a farm and start plantations of cashews, then you will have to wait for few months, few years for the trees to become young, and also you need maintenance, you need labor. Cambodia has cheap labor, but definitely this is a very good long-term investment, because not only the land will appreciate in value, but also you will always have the fruit, the cashews that you can either sell to the local buyers, or you can export to Vietnam, to China, or even open your own processing plant that you can use to export to other countries around the world. And yes, talking about this business, basically you grow or you buy the cashews from February to May, and then you sell them at a much higher price from October to November during the big Muslim holidays. I'm talking about Ramadan and of course Christmas. There are a lot of holidays from October to December, so this is the best time to sell. This is a very favorable business because Cambodia is growing and agriculture is pushed by the government. A lot of raw cashews are being produced, the country is growing. So if you're interested, do contact us on our official websites, our Facebook meta page and Instagram page. From here, Kampong Thom province. Comment below if you have any questions. This is definitely a very beautiful place with the very nice, high quality, no chemicals. Yes, these cashews, even the fruit is very sweet and it's quite nice to eat. This is all I have for you today. Thank you so much and I'll see you next time.